Hello YouTube, welcome to channel Seal Car 212. The 2018 Ford Focus RS has everything you'd expect from a sports car, including a high-output engine, super sticky tires and stout brakes. Certainly, the RS is a blast to drive. Yet this hatchback also delivers a decent amount of utility. The Focus RS fits squarely under the hot hatch category of cars, meaning it combines the utility of a hatchback commuter car with serious performance. But it also goes beyond more common hot hatches such as the Volkswagen GTI or Ford's own Focus Street. The RS turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-four makes 350 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque, while its all-wheel drive system can selectively bias power to individual wheels. It even has a drive setting that allows a tail-out drifting style of cornering easier. This year marks the final run of this generation Focus RS. To send it off, Ford is providing a run of only 1,500 cars for North America, each outfitted with performance-enhancing options such as a front-locking differential and lightweight forged wheels. We suspect this RS is going to be prized by enthusiasts for a long time to come. What's new? For its last model year, the Focus RS comes standard with some formerly optional features, including the navigation system and the power recurve front seats. A mechanical front limited slip differential and forged 19-inch wheels are also standard this year. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Ford Focus RS is a high-performance hatchback that is available in one fully loaded trim level. As this is the last year of its production, there are only a handful of options to choose from. The RS employs a turbocharged 2.3-liter inline-four, 350 horsepower, 350 pounds-to-foot of torque, that is connected to a 6-speed manual transmission. A torque vectoring all-wheel drive system is standard. Comfort. Adjustable dampers help calm the ride down, but only by a little. After all, prioritizing handling and ultimate performance means sacrificing ride comfort. You could drive the Focus RS daily, but you, and your passengers, will always be aware of its sporty intentions. Interior. The Focus RS starts with economy car roots, and nowhere is it more apparent than the interior. Excellent side bolsters on the Recaro branded front seats help keep you in place, but they might be constricting to the wider-bodied. Utility. The hatchback design means the Focus RS offers more storage space than most sports cars at this price. Plus, the foldable second row more than doubles the cargo volume. Technology. Though it looks somewhat plain, Ford's Sync 3 infotainment system is powerful and user-friendly. It also offers Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, giving plenty of options to owners.